How are you? I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is the period of English second paper for the students of class 9. Today we are going to discuss on narration. There are two kinds of narration, direct and indirect. In direct narration, the speaker expresses his opinion directly, and in indirect speech or narration, the speaker expresses his opinion indirectly. Dear students, look at the board. Here is an example. He said to me, "I did not take your pen." This is the example of direct narration. Here, said is reporting verb, and "I did not take your pen," which is in inverted comma, is reported speech. And if we want to change it into indirect speech, we have to follow some rules. In the rule, persons are changed if there is first person in direct speech. It is changed according to the subject of reporting verb. If there is second person in reported speech, it is changed according to the object of reporting verb. Tenses are also changed from direct to indirect. If the reporting verb is present or future tense, the tense of reported speech is not changed. But if the reporting verb is past tense, in that case, the tenses of reported speech are changed accordingly. If the reported speech is in present indefinite tense, it is changed into past indefinite. From present continuous to past continuous, present perfect to past perfect, present perfect continuous to past perfect continuous, past indefinite to past perfect, past continuous to past perfect continuous. And some words are also changed from now to then, today to that day, tomorrow to the next day, yesterday to the previous day. And narration is changed according to sentences. We know that there are 5 kinds of sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory. If the reporting verb is in assertive sentence, we use say or tell, said or told as reporting verb in the indirect narration, and in that case we use that as conjunction in the place of inverted comma. And in interrogative sentence we use ask or asked, inquired of, demanded of as reporting verb in indirect narration. In our exam, we have to answer this is narration. Dear students, look at the board. There is an example of this is narration. The old man said, "Can you give me some food? I have been starving for 2 days." The maid said, "Why do you beg? Can't you work?" In the direct narration, the first sentence is, the old man said, "Can you give me some food?" Here, the reported speech is in interrogative sentence. So, we have to use ask as reporting verb. Here, the subject is the old man and the object is the maid. So, we have written here, the old man asked the maid, and this sentence starts with can and it is an auxiliary verb, a modal auxiliary. So we have used here if instead of inverted comma. If she, here she has been used for you, and you is second person, and it has been changed according to the object, that is the maid. So we have used here she. She could give. Could has been used for can. Give him, and him has been used for me. Me is first person, and it has been used according to, and it has been changed according to the subject, that is the old man. Give him some food. The second sentence is, I have been starving for 2 days, and this is an assertive sentence. So, we have written here, he also said. Here, the speaker is the same person. If we find the same person as the speaker, we use also, again, further. So we have written here, he also said that he had been starving for 2 days. Here, the reported speech is, I have been starving for 2 days, and it is in present perfect continuous tense. And in indirect narration, we have changed it into past perfect continuous tense, and we know the structure of this sentence is subject, had been, verb plus ing. And next sentence is, the maid said, why do you beg? Why do you beg? This is interrogative sentence, and this sentence starts with why, that is question mark. The maid asked him that is old man, why he. We have written here he instead of you. You is second person, and it has been changed according to the object. Why he begged. The reported speech is in present indefinite tense. Why do you beg? So we have changed it into past indefinite. He begged. The subject and past form of verb, that is begged. And last sentence is, can't you work? Can't you work? And this is also an interrogative sentence. And this sentence we have written here, she also asked him. She means the maid. So she also asked him if he couldn't work. We have written here could instead of can. We have answered this sentence, this is narration. Dear students, I hope you will practice more sentences and more examples. We hope we will discuss the other rules of narrations. Today we are going to finish our class. Thank you very much.